Hi friend, welcome to your channel Technophile Firdaus. So today we will learn how we will upload our code in Nginx server and how we will point our code in Nginx server. So let's learn and let's study. Okay, and if you want to know like how we will start your Nginx server, I would request you to see the previous video. In previous video I have told you like how we can upload our code and how we can run and configure the Nginx server. So you can go to this GitHub link and you will find everything. Okay, so just go through this and you can see like how we can configure your SSH key and how you will install your Nginx server. And my previous videos link also I will provide in the description. So let's learn, let's see like how we configure a new folder and point it to that folder. So we have to follow these steps which I have mentioned here. The first thing which we will do, we will remove the default configurations. Okay, so for that we can what I am doing, I already did that. Hence first I am going to check the folders like whether it already have that default page or not, or folders or not. If it been present there, then I will remove that. Okay, so you will also do the same step. First configure your Nginx server. Once it's done, you get the Nginx default link. If you go to the if you open your IPv4 IP address, okay, in the browser, and then if you want to add your own folder, point it to your own folder where your code would reside. So you have to add your configurations as well. So first we will remove both the default file which are there in site available and site enabled folder. Okay, very easy. Complete this step and be careful to do not remove any other file. Okay, so till here if you have any doubt, please ping your comments, and if this video help you, then I do tell you to please share this video among your friend, because we gave lots of time to create this kind of video, and this might be helpful to the other developers also. So first I have removed the old configurations, and you can check it through this command ls, and to add any file folder you can use nano or vi editor. Okay, so I'm just checking like whether the default folders are present or not in these two places. Okay, so in site enabled I don't see any default folders. Okay, I think it's already been removed. So do this first step. Second step would be inside site enables whatever be your project's name, with that project create one folder. To create the folder we will use this command sudo nano, then the location, like it should be under etc nginx site available, and your domain name, because it would be helpful to remember you like for which folders this configurations is. Just put it there. It will open a blank screen for you. So what you will do, you will just copy this code which you see there. Yeah, this one you just copy it and paste it, or you can write it by your own. Okay, so few things are very important thing, like it is listening on port 80. Server name would be your domain name, one without www and one with www. Okay, then root would be the place, it's a location where your code is residing. Where your code is there, you give that location. Like for my case, I will be having my code inside where www, then this Daman crypto, and then .com/html. So this is the place where it be, and it will look for index.html, index.htm, index.nginx, debian.html, and for 404 it will redirect to the 404 pages. Okay, so this configurations file you will simply copy it from my what to say, from a GitHub link which I will share you here, and just paste it. Yeah, this is the GitHub link for the /server configuration in this project. So just follow this step. Remove, I am telling you again, remove your site enable and site available default folder, then create one file inside etc nginx site availables, and then paste this. Okay, now we need to create our files also. It may be your projects. If you have your projects, then you can use it through GitHub. You just copy your project and put it into that folders which I have mentioned here, like this is our root, so there my project will reside. So I will first create a folder with that name. Okay, it's very easy. So just copy this and paste it. Just to mention you again, like please remove this Damansara crypto to your own website links. Okay, so since I already created this, I will just show you, like it already been there. So I will just type cd, type there, and if I say ls, I can see the files. So if this folders is not there, I think it would not be there with you. So first create that folder using this command, and please remove this Nameservers.com with your and do that thing, and then to that folder we will give the access. Okay, like we this folder can be read and write by the other users also, this user, so those kind of access I have to give. So just copy these two command and paste it there. Okay, very easy. I haven't done any extraordinary thing, but this ordinary thing will give you an extraordinary results. Okay, so just follow this thing, it's very easy. And then what we will do, we can create a new files. Okay, just to show, like we are pointing to our new locations. I mean, earlier on nginx default page was showing up, so now we will simply remove this and just paste this thing. So what will happen, it will create one index.html file here, and it will paste all your details into that file. Okay, so right now see, I already created that in a past, but what we will do, see earlier on it was showing that. So if I go back and just paste this command, so it will override that. It will override that with whatever thing I have written here. What I have written, hello from nginx on my YouTube channel. So if I do this thing and hit the IPv4, I will get that details. Okay, so let's see. So currently I am getting this, as I already did that. For your case, it may be your default page, and since we have removed the default page, you will see some kind of errors. Don't worry, type this thing, copy and paste this thing to the whatever thing you want to show, and then this location, what will happen, it will create an index.html file for you. So it's a very easy thing, very complicated but very easy thing. Don't panic, just follow this step one by one, and at the end of a day we will point our nginx server to new folders. Okay, and then our desired result will be shown through nginx server. Okay, well and good. I think it's been added, and if I want to check like how it went, if I type nano index.html, we are able to see whatever change we have made, those changes are now available. Okay, after this, okay, for my case, since the symbolic link have already been created earlier on, but for your case this might be different. Okay, either this page will not pop up or some error will show up. Don't worry, don't worry, you don't need to worry like, okay, what happened, server is not reachable, it is telling server is not reachable. So how we will come to this position, For that you have to create a symbolic link between it to your domain configuration file, okay, in the site enabled. What we are doing, we are typing this sudo ln dash sf, we are forcefully creating a symbolic ring from site available Nameserver to site enable Nameserver. Okay, so we will just copy this. I just tell you again and again, like you have to remove Nameserver to your original domain, whatever domain you are using, that should be changed. Okay, so we have done this thing, and now whatever thing configuration we have wrote in this symbolic, whether the symbolic link had been happened perfectly or not, that we need to test. For that we use sudo nginx-t. So this will test your nginx configuration, like whatever configuration we have given there, and whether the symbolic link that we have created has been created perfectly or not. It will check that, and once we hit that, we will get to know, okay, whether our link and our configuration has some error or not. If there are any error, you will get to know, get to see the error, else you will see this okay and test is successful text. Okay, once you get this two thing, this two line, it's mean yes, your configuration has been good, else you will get some error. Okay, you will get some error and you have to resolve that error. Now once we done that, now from default, since for the first time it was the default page where pointing out, now if you write this command sudo sysctl nginx restart, once we paste this command, then what will happen, it will restart your nginx server and it will point your server to your new domain. Okay, new, I would say, new folders which you have created, and with symbolic link and everything you have created. And now for your case also, you will get to see this page. Just follow the step one by one, and if you have any issue, any query, please ping me, add it into the comment. I will definitely try to resolve your issue. And if this video has been helpful to you, please share it among your friends, please subscribe, and in next video I will tell you like how we can add our GitHub code into this and how we can run our React.js code in DigitalOcean droplet server. So I hope this video, you have find this video helpful to you, and then we can hit the I would say our URL. See, from earlier on it was like this, and from that what we have done, we have changed our server point from this place, from I would say default IP to this place. Okay, to this place, yes. So in this way you can point the nginx server to point into your desired place from on where you will keep your code, and then once you hit that place, you will get the result. So in next video I will tell you how we can add our code from I would say GitHub, and how we point our domain to the server. So thank you and bye bye. Please subscribe my channel, do like.